How to create a Windows 10 bootable USB drive, simple step-by-step quick guide. OK. At first, you need to be with Windows 10 disk image. If you don't know how to get it, check in the description below, the links are there. Now open any web browser that is on your computer. Here type to search Power ISO. Click to open this first link. Click on Download option. Here choose the bit version that you would like to download. Like let me download 64-bit. The software will start to download. After that click on Open. So continue with the installation. Well, as me, I already have the software, so I will not install it again. Click to open Power ISO and run it as administrator. OK. Now insert your USB drive of at least 16 GB. Up here click on Tools. Move down and click on Create Bootable USB Drive option. Under Image File, click to browse the image file. Here it is. Click to select and then click on Open. Now make sure that the USB drive that we inserted is selected. Move down and then click on Start. Here click on OK to continue. OK. Now the Power ISO will start to create the bootable USB driver for you. So here you have to be patient depending your computer and flash drive speed. Done. Now you can see writing USB drive completed successfully. So, that's how to create a Windows 10 bootable USB drive, simple step-by-step quick guide. If you found it helpful, please subscribe, like, and even leave a comment. See you next time.